Hi, Jim Schreiner here on my Jesus Christ Enough Already tour. Believe it or not, today I want to talk to you about how to use prayer effectively to help calm your nerves. I've said it on some of the broadcasts before, and if you watch me on the YouTube channel, you probably heard that I follow a philosophy called deism. I don't believe in the Christian God, so to speak, that a lot of the religions do. I don't believe in that there's a God out there that's in control of every hair on your head and worries about the sparrow that's falling. But at the end of the day, it really doesn't matter what I believe. Whoever created us gave us everything that we need to do to heal. Gave us a strong mind, a strong body. It gave us the elements in the universe to take care of us. I mean, think about it. We have water to drink. We have air to breathe. We have food from the earth. We have the sun that keeps us alive. I mean, if you think about it, this universe has provided us just about everything that we need to survive, including a body that heals itself. You don't need help from a divinity. You don't need help from your creator or from a God to heal. If you cut your finger and you don't do anything stupid, guess what? It heals. Why? Because this body was designed to heal, but you have to give it the right tools. And one of the tools that I believe in helps the body heal is meditation. And I've talked about that in one of the other segments. I happen to meditate by spending about 15 minutes just in awe of the universe. I go out and I love looking at the ocean at night. Sometimes I'll sit and just look at the moon and the stars, and I'm just in awe of this amazing galaxy in the universe. And I sit and ponder what's going on in the universe, and I think about dark holes and dark matter and those type of things, and it just calms me because I am just in amazement and in awe of this universe. I slowly just listen to myself breathe, and it allows my blood pressure to come down. I can actually literally watch my heart rate. I can monitor my heart rate and watch my heart rate come down. So it works. But I know there are a lot of people that still use prayer as a way of calming their nerves. And I love that. Whatever meditation process works for you, use it. But I want to talk to you about how to use prayer as an effective way of calming your nerves and bringing down your blood pressure and heart rate. Too many times when I was in the hospital with my wife, and trust me, we spent thousands of days in the hospital. Back when I used to be involved in the Christian church, I was praying to God, why weren't I seeing my miracles? And I got to notice in a pattern, and it's almost as if I got myself worked up and created my own anxiety and caused my blood pressure to go up and my heart rate to go up because I wasn't seeing my prayers being answered. I wasn't seeing my wife get better. I thought maybe I was praying wrong, or I wasn't tithing enough at church, or what was I doing wrong and why I wasn't getting my prayer answered. And it hit me. I realized that I wasn't using prayer properly. I was asking God or the universe for something, and instead I should have just been sending the prayer out in grateful gratitude of what I had. I had very good health. I had a beautiful wife, who was still with me. I had a house with a roof over my head. I had hot water. I had a car to drive. I had so much to be grateful for, and I was grateful for that. But instead of asking God or the universe for something, I should have just been sending out my gratitude and saying, universe, thank you for everything that you've provided to me. And once I started to practice that philosophy of just sending the prayers out and not anticipating an answer or anything in return, it started to work. I started to notice that my nerves were better. I was calmer. My heart rate came down. My blood pressure came down. So I was just basically thanking the universe. I said, universe, thank you today for all the many things that you've given me. I wasn't praying to a God. I wasn't praying to a deity. I was thanking the universe for everything that it had provided for me. And that form of meditation, that form of prayer works. And I've talked to many people along the road as I'm traveling on my Jesus Christ Enough Already tour, and I've talked to many people that use that same philosophy, they use that same theory of talking to the universe and putting those prayers out, not expecting anything in return. Because I promise you, I've learned from personal experience that anxiety that comes with waiting for an answer causes more stress, causes more anxiety. So don't think about waiting for an answer, but rather just put it out there. Put a thankful message out into the universe. and thank the universe for all of its many blessings. And I promise you, you'll notice you'll continue to get healthier. So thanks for following me on my Jesus Christ Enough Already tour. Follow me on, if you can, friend me on Facebook, tune into my YouTube channel, follow me on YouTube. I got Twitter and Instagram. I'm trying to do the best job that I can of learning new tricks. I say you can't teach an old dog new tricks. I'm trying to communicate to this younger generation. I'm trying to learn the social media, and I'm getting a hang of it. So I'm on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Follow me on all those channels, or you can just go to jimschreiner.com and continue to stay tuned and watch my journey. And I hope that I've given you some valuable information today that can help you be a better part of this movement we call humanism. So continue to follow my journey, and I'll see you on the road.